I don't want that for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. This goes to Jimmy's mom. Ba-dum. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with the toy on Christmas Day. I want you for all my own, more than you'll ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Oh, I don't want another Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. Just wanna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear all those magic reindeer click. 'Cause I just want you tonight. Hold on to me so tight. What can I do? Oh, all I want for Christmas is you. I can't do this for much longer, my God. Oh, the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sounds of the children's nights they fill the air, and everyone is singing. I want those bells ringing. Santa won't let me. The one that I need. Won't you please bring me, baby, bring me back? I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just want to see my baby standing right outside my door. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is Jimmy's mommy. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. All I want for Christmas is Jimmy's mom. All I want for Christmas is Jimmy's mom. I'm sorry. Oh man. Oh, that was... I can't breathe.